Good morning. Today is another meal planning Monday video. I just finished meal planning. I started it, this is kind of how I start before I put it in the official book. I kind of start, this is that part down there. Anyway, I start just kind of thinking about what I want to cook, and I need to start cleaning out my freezer. My chest freezer here at my casita, because we're going to be hitting the road in a few weeks and I need to get it all cleaned out. But it looks like I might only have one, not all this made it to the official list. So yeah, I will address that. Anyway, so this is week 42. Not of the year. This is week 42 of me doing meal plans. I've just started from week 1 and have gone all the way up. So let's get started. So if you've been following the cooking series that I did, yesterday I cooked chicken pot pie. So today we have leftovers. We have probably a little bit more than half. So we may have to snack on it throughout the week a little bit. Eat some of that today. So that's leftovers. So we already started the week off with leftovers. So Tuesday, tomorrow is Cook With Me, and it's going to be a real easy because I've been cooking all week and filming. So this one's going to be really easy. I don't have to go to the store for anything this week except for this one. So I don't think I have anything for this, but I didn't write it down because it would give it away. Wednesday, corned beef, cabbage, and red potatoes. So I bought a corned beef the other day at Walmart. I was just walking by and it said clearance, and I looked down and it was corned beef, and I was like, what? Probably from St. Patrick's Day, right? Isn't that when it's, yeah. So I think I got it for $12, like $3 off or $4 off, something like that. Bought a cabbage and I bought some red potatoes. I love corned beef and cabbage, and I don't think I've had corned beef since I've been on the road. Not cooked myself anyway. So I am going to do it in the Instapot. And in this book, there is a recipe. So I am going to do it using this book. So I'm excited because I haven't really cooked anything in the Instapot yet, other than, well, I did chicken legs right when I got it, and then I cooked the dog's food in it all the time. But other than that, I really haven't cooked anything else. So I was thinking about this video, I have to say that this portion of this video was brought to you by Mike and Cindy, Deborah's cousins, because Cindy has bought this book, well, both of them, bought me this menu planner book last year before, I can't remember. Then she bought me this, and then she gave me some money, and I bought the Instapot. So thank you, Mike and Cindy. Every bit of this I love and I use. So I'm looking forward to getting into this book. This is the ad this week that I did a video on. You'll see that on Wednesday, I think. Got some really good deals this week. So anyway, that is holding my place but you'll see this on Wednesday, that how much Frugal finds I found. Yeah, so all right, let's get back to the meal plan. So we'll probably have leftovers of the corned beef and cabbage, probably lots of cabbage, and I bought a package of those potatoes, so we'll probably have, I want sour cream, and I already have that. So we'll have leftovers here, and if we have any more cabbage and potatoes, then I bought a sausage link the other day. This is that. I'll just go ahead and show you this pre-video. The smoked sausage were $1.77, so I bought 2 of these and put them in the freezer, and I'm like, I really need to clean out my freezer. I'm still buying stuff to put in the freezer, but I couldn't pass them up. So I'm going to go ahead and pull those out and have sausage link with cabbage. If we've already used up the cabbage and potatoes, then I will pull one of these and we'll just have some rice or pasta. These are on sale right now at Walmart for $1. They used to be $1 all the time, but now they've gone up to what, $1.39 or something. So I picked up a couple of these just to have on hand. So these are $1 right now at my Walmart anyway. So that's a backup just to have some sausage and a carb, if you will. And then one thing I'm pulling out of the freezer is the chili that I did, several weeks ago on Cook With Me for the hot dogs. I put that in I have one large container of chili, so I bought some no brand corn chips. I just have it writing that down. And we're going to have some Frito pie and get that eaten up. And I still have taco soup that I need to do, but I'll put that on next week's meal to get that container out of the freezer. And then Sunday, I think I want to go out to eat. Sometime this week, we'll work it in. But I'm going to work in going out to eat at some point just because I've done so much cooking and lots of cooking, and I need a break. So we're going to go get something fun. We're going to go out to eat. Maybe it will be La Fonda or something like that, or Chili's or somewhere nice where we can sit down and have a meal. But anyway, that is this week's meal plan. Y'all let me know what y'all are cooking this week. Put it in the comments below, and I will see y'all in the next video.